It's summertime, I'm getting tan, grass needs to be mowed, but I miss you guys. We are about 1 month away from the return of students to SDSU, and I cannot wait. I can't wait for you to get here, to get back. So just a reminder of some things to do before you get back. Number one, pray. If you've had a rough summer, if you haven't been praying this summer, you haven't been getting to Sunday Mass, get to confession, get back to Sunday Mass, get back on top of things. Let's go. If you're not praying as well as you could, maybe you're getting Sunday Mass, but maybe you wanted to pray each day like you were trying to do here at school and that hasn't happened, well, okay, shake it off. Let's go. Start praying. Don't let yesterday's mistakes be the reason why you don't do something good today. Don't let it hang over your head like a dark cloud waiting for the thunder to come to ruin your beach day or something like that. Instead, just go. Just go pray. Pick up that rosary, pick up your Bible, pray, read, let's get back to it. Just like when I goof up a word in these videos and I just keep going and ignore the goof up, so you ignore it and go. Now, if you need to go to confession, get to confession and get back to things, but let's get back to things. Number one, do that. I'm ready for you to get back to campus. I want you to get back to campus, ready and excited to know and love Jesus here at SDSU, and your students, in the sacraments, in the teachings of the church, and all those wonderful things. So let's do it. To help you do that, second thing to do, make sure that you looked into the Vital Unity Retreat, August 18th, 19th, and 20th. A fun little getaway. We're going to use Lake Ponset at a Christian camp up there. There's water toys we can play with during Monday in the afternoon, including the big blob tower, things like that, kayaks, canoes if you're less adventurous or more fragile because you're 40 years old. We'll have Mass, we'll have confessions available, we'll have times of prayer, like always. We'll also have Dr. John Schaff. I love Dr. John Schaff. He's great. He's a political science professor from Northern State University up in Aberdeen. Go Wolves. And he's a great Catholic family man, a great intellectual, funny, nerdy, quirky. You're going to love him. I love him, and I think I've got a decent judge of things like that. You'll love him. He's going to talk to us about 3 things on Monday during the Vital Unity Retreat. He's going to talk to us about the challenges of living our Catholic faith in this culture, some answers, some ready remedies of the Catholic faith from her very roots, not new things, but just things that we need to better identify, better discover, just kind of claim for our own. And then thirdly, he'll talk with us about how we can do those things on our campus in the school year to come. What a great way to get back with one another and get excited for the year to come as much as I am excited for the year to come. You get to meet the new Focus missionaries, catch up with one another. It'll be a grand old time so that when the freshmen come on campus, you will be excited to meet them and know them, invite them into the great life and community that you have here at Pius XII Newman Center and that great faith you have in through your Catholic faith. Third little reminder is I want you to be able to order ahead of time a Catholic Jacks t-shirt for the new year designed by now alumni, both alumni, designed by Andrea Schublum and with some art on there, original art made by Tessa Weens, who did the beautiful banners in our chapel. So get that ordered ahead of time. $50 for a great t-shirt, a soft t-shirt. I think you'll enjoy the color scheme and things like that. But if we get them ordered ahead of time, then you'll know you have it. All those links are in that Monday morning newsletter that you should have gotten. I also have them in the links to this YouTube video. Know that you're in my prayers, especially now we're in this month to come. In my prayers throughout the summer, but especially here with just a few weeks remaining before this campus is transformed from quiet and sleepy to bursting with life and your presence. My prayers for you, God love you, and have a great couple of weeks till you get back here and I get to see you in person.